Okay, that was designed to wake everybody up. And we'll stop it now. And Sky, can I share my screen?
Absolutely.
Thank you. Awesome. So congratulations to Rihanna. Rihanna put that together for us. Thank you. She's one of our extension team members. And I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you. Start the presentation. Can you see my screen at this point?
Yes.
Great. Okay, so this will be really brief. I just want to welcome you to our grand experiment here. We are doing a virtual on-ranch demonstration. I imagine a lot of you have been to many field days, many in-person on-ranch demonstrations, and we're going to give it a go today. And our intention, our hope is we can really showcase the Clayton Livestock Research Center and listen to you. So we've built an agenda where we can break out and talk to each other. We're going to actively use the chat box so we can communicate with each other and at least try in this era where we can't be together in person to have some times where we can talk to each other and make this a bit more personal. And we're really excited about this agenda. We have 2 hours together today to hear about some research and hear about the Clayton Livestock Research Center. So we're going to be showing some short videos showcasing the center. We'll be showcasing the feedlot facilities and then an age progression of the calves. And then we're going to break and have time for questions and answers. But please enter a question. If you have a question at any time, enter it into the chat box. I will be moderating the chat box. I'll be writing them down and we'll answer them about 40 minutes in, and we'll have a conversation. And then we'll transition to some presentations. So we're going to do some short presentations because in this era of Zoom, I think we all have Zoom fatigue. So we're going to do short presentations and then followed by some breakout rooms. We're going to talk about soil health, wheat pasture and pasture requirements and the 204 wheat, and then regional aquifers. And then we'll break you out into one of 4 different rooms. If you haven't let Sky Amy know which room you'd like to be in, you can use the chat box to send him a message directly. And we'll be in one of these 4 rooms where the people who gave the presentations will lead a conversation with you about whatever questions you have and really just gives us a moment to talk with each other. But if you want to know about everything, don't worry, because when we come back together, we'll hear report outs from each of the breakout rooms. So you'll hear what everybody talked about. And then we'll conclude. So that's our plan for the day for our 2 hours together. If you're just calling in now, please go ahead and let us know where you're calling in from and what you'd like to learn today. Go ahead and use the chat box. This is part of the Sustainable Southwest Beef Project. It's a 5-year research, education, and extension project. The research components are looking at long-term breed comparison, precision ranching technologies, and supply chain options. And of course, education and extension feed into this project, into the research components. And this will all culminate into, at the year 5, a Southwestern beef knowledge system. So that's where we're going. And this demonstration, this virtual on-ranch demonstration is a part of this project. And I want to turn it over now to Glenn Duff, a professor at New Mexico State University and the superintendent of the Clayton Livestock Research Center. So Glenn, I'm going to hand it off to you.